Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Shein order and get money back. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Shein app and tap on Me at the bottom right of your screen. From there, you'll see an option called My Orders. Right next to it, tap on View All to see all the products you've ordered. I don't have any order, but I will show you the process how you can do that. Once all your orders are displayed, select the product you want to cancel. For example, if you want to cancel a specific item, tap on it, and you'll be taken to the order details page. On this page, tap on the three dots located at the bottom left of the screen. When you tap on the three dots, you'll see an option that says Cancel Order. Go ahead and select that option. After clicking Cancel Order, you'll be asked to confirm if you're sure. Tap Yes to proceed. Next, you'll need to tick or select the product you want to cancel. Once the item is selected, tap on Next Step at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll be asked how you want to receive your refund. If you choose Shein Wallet, the money will be stored in your Shein account, and you can use it later to purchase other items. If you want the refund sent back to your bank account, or credit or debit card, select Payment Account instead. After choosing your preferred option, tap on Submit and the refund will be processed accordingly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can cancel Shein order and get money back. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.